In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in Asana, providing you with a comprehensive guide to mastering the Asana board view. If you're looking to effectively manage projects and visualize your workflow, Kanban boards are a fantastic tool to adopt. They allow teams to manage work flexibly and visually, which can increase productivity and clarity. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to create a new project within Asana. To do this, start by clicking on the plus new project button and then select the board view option. The board view will set the stage for your Kanban-style workflow and provide you with a visual board where tasks are organized into cards that move across columns, representing different stages of your workflow. Choosing the board view will give you that familiar Kanban-style layout that is both intuitive and efficient for managing tasks and projects. Next, it's time to set up your columns, which will represent the different stages of your workflow. A typical setup might include columns such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. By establishing these columns, you're essentially laying out the steps that tasks need to go through from inception to completion. Customize these stages based on your specific needs to reflect your actual process accurately. Each column represents a status, so think about which phases your tasks typically pass through. Once your columns are defined, you can start adding tasks as cards under each column. Each task you create becomes a card that you can later move through the workflow stages. Don't worry if you need to make adjustments along the way. Asana is flexible, allowing you to add, remove, or update tasks anytime. To add tasks, simply click on the plus button in the column where the task should start. Input the task details and voila, you've added a task to your board. Now here comes the fun part, managing the work. As work progresses, you can drag and drop these task cards between columns, mimicking the Kanban methodology of moving tasks through different stages. This visual movement not only keeps the team aware of the task's current status, but also provides transparency on project progress. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure everyone is aligned and aware of where tasks stand at any given moment. Finally, don't forget to customize and collaborate on your board. You can add assignees, due dates, tags, and comments to each task, ensuring everyone involved knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Asana also allows you to invite team members to your board, which is crucial for collaborative efforts. Effective collaboration can significantly impact your project's success by leveraging the skills and inputs from various members, so ensure that everyone has access and can easily communicate through task comments. And there you have it, your introduction to using a Kanban board in Asana. By visualizing your workflow with this method, you can optimize productivity, increase transparency, and enhance collaboration within your team. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.